Absolutely, we definitely have more visibility at Peer Bearing when it comes to using InfoLink. It's our eyes where we don't have eyes. My name is Leo Linville. I am the Assembly and Repack Supervisor at Peer Bearing, located in Waukegan, Illinois. Our intention, I should say, behind using InfoLink was to get a grasp on the productivity of the machines. Were we using the forklifts in the right way? Did we have the right combination of forklifts in the warehouse? And also just to kind of track operator usage, making sure that we had the right operators in the right zones throughout the warehouse.
With implementation of InfoLink, we soon realized that there were two machines that were idle. With my management team, we decided to exchange them for a couple of the RM series that were going to help us more for the operation than having two order pickers just staying idle for weeks.
InfoLink has provided us with a plethora of information. We know how our trucks are being utilized. We know downtime. We know, operator tendencies and behaviors and things like that. We've been able to get a grasp on that. We were not able to grasp all that information prior to InfoLink. It was just our best guess. Now InfoLink is actually giving us numbers, it's giving us charts. Absolutely, we definitely have more visibility at Peer Bearing when it comes to using InfoLink. It's our eyes where we don't have eyes.